Hello everyone, Nick Nolan here with another construction update on Valencia Trails, the premier 55 plus community in Naples, Florida. Starting off, our road modifications for the future Immokalee Road streetlight is well underway. There will be 2 left turn lanes to maximize the number of cars within the 30 seconds of allotted green arrow time. We still need 300 closed homes before the light will be active. Currently, there are 220 homes closed and 546 sold. The Stay and Play is now open for those who wish to use the neighborhood amenities while living in either a Nautilus or Pearl model. The cost is $99 for 2 nights. Hopefully you've had a chance to attend one of the neighborhood dinners or use the workout facility at the Lifestyle Center. There is plenty of quality equipment in the gym, including elliptical machines, treadmills, as well as free weights and cable exercise equipment. There are also personal trainers available for hire that can help you meet your fitness goals. Keep in mind, this is only a temporary gym. The gym at the main clubhouse will be much more extensive in equipment availability and size. The main clubhouse is projected to be open sometime in April of 2023. The clubhouse construction is well underway. The Racket Club is now open, and as you can see, the pickleball community is very active. We have 8 pickleball courts. There are also 6 tennis courts with pros available for lessons for either pickleball or tennis. There's a ball machine that you can rent if you need a lot of practice. Taking a look at the pool area of the clubhouse, as you can see, most of the palm trees have been planted. I saw a large delivery of pavers in the front parking lot, so I believe the pavers will probably be installed on the pool deck fairly soon. If you're enjoying the update videos like this one, please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel, Naples Living. I'm Nick Nolan, a local realtor and fellow Valencia Trails neighbor. Feel free to contact me anytime for referrals to contractors, free drone pictures of your home, or if you know anyone interested in buying or selling in the neighborhood. Thank you. Starting here at Drake Lane, we have an aerial view and construction update on Phase 2 and 3 sections of Valencia Trails. These Atlantica collection homes began construction back in February and March of this year and are nearly complete, with several of them already closed and occupied. Moving south, now we are looking at the Phase 3 coastal collection homes. Landscaping has recently been added along Majestic Trails Boulevard. If you're interested in building a coastal collection home, don't wait. More than half of the lots have already been sold, and when they are gone, you'll be out of luck. Here in the southwest corner of the neighborhood is the final phase of the Atlantica collection homes. It's bordered by a thick wall of trees. One of my clients jokingly described it as the jungles of Vietnam. Behind it is Old Florida Golf Club, which offers ample quiet and privacy for homeowners along the preserve. Turning to the southeast corner of the neighborhood, off to the right will be the future southern entrance to the Vanderbilt Beach Road extension. This is the final Shoreline collection area. Fantastic lots are available now, including southern exposure water lots and several large pie-shaped lots backing up to the wooded preserve. Turning back north, we get a great view of the Conservation Trace, which is a quarter-mile walkway along the woods and lake. The unpaved cul-de-sac you see ahead is the final Gulfshore collection area. The lots just became available, including a pie-shaped lot facing west. But don't forget to bring your wallet, because that lot is priced at a whopping $525,000, and I would not be surprised if it's already sold before this video is even posted. Finally, a quick flyover of Jacaranda Drive, which was the original Shoreline collection area of the neighborhood. It seems like this street was lagging behind with construction, but as you can see, most of the homes are nearing completion. I'm sure the buyers are anxious to move in soon. This has been Nick Nolan with MVP Realty. Thank you for watching. Please reach out anytime for any real estate related questions about Valencia Trails or other Naples area neighborhoods.